Many thanks for visiting my website. I hope you find it very useful. We are committed to representing care workers and nurses who encounter the very serious issues which arise on an almost daily basis in fitness to practice hearings across the country. I first became particularly interested in this area of practice around 2 years ago, when I acted for a care worker who was facing the full wrath of the SSSC, and who in fact wanted to remove his name from the register of care workers on the basis that around a year earlier he had suffered a substance addiction. The case went to a 5-day evidential hearing, and as a result of our intervention and the great efforts which our client had made in transforming his life, his name was not removed from the register, and indeed he was simply given a warning as to his future conduct, which on the circumstances was an extremely fair result, and which was an excellent outcome for our client, who at that point had been facing his career being ruined by the allegations from the SSSC. So at that point it became apparent to me that this was not an isolated case, and that often the regulators were extremely heavy-handed in pursuing allegations of misconduct against care workers across the full spectrum of the industry. And so I have since then taken a keen interest in this area of law, and have been fortunate enough to act for many wonderful clients who do great work as care workers and nurses, and I have been fortunate enough to have enjoyed some great successes in representing them. And I am also very happy to say that not only do I represent clients who are facing these allegations, but I'm also very happy to simply have a word on the telephone or otherwise with anyone who just has any concerns, or who's maybe received notification that the SSSC want to talk to them, or the NMC want to talk to them, because quite often a word can be very useful. And I've had instances in the past where we've been able to have matters resolved short of the regulators bringing fitness to practice hearings. So I hope you find this website useful, and if there's any queries at all, or if there's anything you'd like further information on, you can speak to me, Andrew McLaughlin, by phoning 01592 645 772. Or of course you can email me at andrew@mckelco.co.uk, and it would be a pleasure to speak to you. Thank you.